additional insurance na may guaranteed payout? Posible nga ba? Let's talk about SunSmarter Life Elite 10. Ang insurance na ito ay magbibigay sa'yo ng passive income for life. Ang plan na ito ay mayroong endowment need to pay for 10 years. You will be covered until age 100. On the 6th year of the policy, you will receiving guaranteed cash payout na 8% equivalent sa face amount mo. You will receive it in every other year. Sample, your face amount is 1 million and your death benefit will be 2 million. Guaranteed payout in every other year will be 80,000 pesos. Yung 80,000 na yun is your choice if you're going to encash it right away or you will keep it to Sun Life para mag-earn pa ito ng interest. Wait, there's more. Meron din tayong annual dividends starting at the first year of your policy. Dividends could be in cash right away or keep it with Sun Life to earn interest. Another living benefit, did you know that you can take a loan with your policy? Mas maliit ang interest compared sa mga personal loan at the lending companies. If babayaran mo to less than 1 year, then wala ka nang babayarang interest. If you need an urgent source of cash, your traditional plan could help you. This plan is not for everyone. It is a bit costly compared sa other plans sa gaya ng BUL and term plans. Then, who is this plan for? To those someone na may time deposit at natutulog lang ang pera sa bangko. And also, those parents or grandparents na gusto na mayroong pamana for their kids or for the next generation. If this video sparks to your interest, just comment here or message me on my Facebook.